In front of me is Honor Magic V2, and today I would like to show you how you can set up Face Unlock. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down just a bit to access Biometrics and Password. Then select Face Recognition at the top right corner and enter your current login method. Following that, you can tap on this icon next to Enable Rise to Wake to enable or disable this option. When you finished, hit Get Started at the bottom right corner. Remember to keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. Now you can adjust all of those options however you want to, and when you finished, click on Home button. So when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!